Hello my friends, welcome to Yoga After 40, a channel where we embrace aging because you're never too old and it's never too late for you to start your yoga journey. So today's class is our first day of our 30-day yoga challenge. Get your summer body in less than 20 minutes. So I want to help you feel confident in your own skin, regardless of your body shape. So more than just getting that summer body, I want you to look at yourself internally and I want you to feel worthy because there's nothing more beautiful in a woman than her own confidence. During the next 30 days, we're gonna practice poses that are gonna help you get more flexible, get stronger, get toned, and lose weight. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's begin. So we're starting today in downward facing dog. Your downward facing dog looks like an inverted V. So come to the mat, spread all 10 toes, spread all 10 fingers, grab the mat firmly, sending the hips all the way back and up. Zip up your core. Relax the shoulders, the neck, and the face. Now, come high on the toes. Bend the knees and take the chest a little closer to your thighs, coming into a turbo dog. So with your turbo dog, we're sending the hips a little bit higher, pressing the mat away as hard as you can. Breathing in here. Gaze in between your feet. Now bring the heels back to the mat and we're gonna walk the hands back, coming into your ragdoll. So for your ragdoll, we grab opposite elbows and we rock side to side. Now take your hands to the chins. Inhale, look up halfway. Keep it flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Take the arms by the side, sweep the arms all the way up to the sky. And now take your hands to your heart. We're taking a moment in here to stand up tall, to reconnect to our breath. Take the arms by the side. Spread the toes off the left foot. Using your core muscles, lift up your right leg. Using your hip flexors too. Now start straining in the right leg. Flex your foot so your toes are facing up. And now bring it down. Now we're switching into the other side, so spread the toes off the right foot. Start bringing the left leg up. Lift up your hips. You don't want to be sinking down. Lift the hips up. Now start straining in the left leg. Flex the foot. Now bring it down. Beautiful job. Now we're gonna bring one more time the right leg up. Take the arms up. Start straightening in the leg. With control, we're gonna step the right leg forward, bend the knee, coming into a warrior one. Back foot is on a 45. Make sure that your knees stack over the heel. Take the arms by the side. We're coming into a warrior three. So transfer the weight onto the right leg. Bring your left leg up. Make sure that your hips are level, are facing the mat. Either flex or point your left toes. Micro bend the right knee. You don't want to hyperextend it. Now from here, we're gonna bend the right knee. And now straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Now sweep your left leg forward. Take the right hand to the left knee and sweep your left arm back. How are you guys doing? Are you sweating already? If you have it in you, maybe you grab the outside of the left foot and you start straightening in the left leg. Keep rounding through the right toes. Keep that core engaged, keep breathing. Remember, you're gonna find balance through your breath. Go back into your warrior three. And from here, we're gonna step the left foot back, come back into a warrior one. Sweep the arms all the way up to the sky. Now take your hands to the mat, frame the right leg, come high on the left toes. Take your right leg back, coming back into a high plank. We hold it in here, stacking the shoulders over the wrist. Keep spreading all 10 fingers high on the toes. Keep it straight back. Hold it for 2 more breaths. Keep pressing the mat that way. We're building strength in here, getting stronger arms, strong shoulders, strong abs. Come into your downward facing dog. And now just take a moment in here to reconnect to your breath, to reset the whole body. Just keep sending the hips back and up, so we're stretching the whole back side of the body. We're getting strong shoulders, strong core, stretching the hamstrings, strong legs. Now walk the hands back, taking the hands in front of the feet, maybe taking the hands to the chins. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Arms by the side. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Now take the hands to your heart. Stand up tall in here. Now we're gonna bring the left knee to the chest. Strong core in here. Lift up the hips. Spread the toes off the left foot. Start straining in the left leg. Toes facing up. Sweep the arms up. With control, we're gonna step the left leg forward. Right leg goes on a 45. Warrior one. From here, we're gonna transition into a warrior three, taking the arms by the side, hands facing down, strong arms in here. We're gonna transfer the weight onto the left leg and take the right leg up. Make sure that you are either flexing or pointing the right toes. Your inner thighs are engaged. Spread the toes of the left foot so that way you have better balance. You're grounding. And now we're gonna take the left leg forward, left hand to right knee, right arm reaches back. We're looking at the right side of the mat. Hips are lifted. Maybe you start straining in the right leg, grab the outside of the right foot. Now take your right leg back, come back into your warrior three. And now bend the left knee, straighten it, bend it, straighten it, bend it, straighten it, bend it, straighten it. One more. Bend it, straighten it, step back into your warrior one. Take the arms all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, we take the hands to the mat, framing the left leg. Taking the left leg back, coming back into your plank. We press in the mat away, shift your weight forward. You always want to make sure that your shoulders are stacked over the wrist. You're high on the toes. Core is burning in here. Flat back. One more breath in here. How does that feel? Keep sending the hips back and up. Maybe you find stillness or you find movement in here. Coming high on the toes. Shaking the head, yes. Shaking the head, no. Now find stillness. Take your right leg all the way up to the sky. Bend the knee. Make circles with the right knee. So big and round circles. We're getting into the hip flexors. We keep pressing the mat away. Go around the other way. Now find stillness. Come high in the left toes. Start straightening in the right leg. And now bring the right knee to nose or knee to chest. Keep spreading all 10 fingers, pressing the mat away. We're building strength in here. Core is engaged. Step your right foot in between your hands. And if you can step your right foot in between your hands and you probably are stuck in here, feel free to grab the foot and now place it in between your hands. Bring the left knee to the mat, untuck your toes, and come all the way up. So you're sending your hips forward and up, lifting through the spine. You don't want to be sinking down onto your lower back. Arms are by the ears, hands are facing each other. Now we're gonna tuck the toes and we're gonna press ourselves up. And now come down, come up, come down, come up, down, up. So we're straightening in the front leg. Down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, up, bend the knee. Take the hands to the mat. Step your right leg back, coming back into your high plank. Push yourself back into your downward facing dog. Sending the hips back and up, remember. Feet are shoulders distance apart. Now sweep your left leg all the way up to the sky. Bend the knee and now make circles with the left knee. So big and round circles. We're getting into the hip flexors. Go around the other way. Stay connected with your breath. Now find stillness, come high on the right toes. Send the left leg all the way back and up. Bring the left knee to nose or knee to chest. Transfer the weight forward. Shoulders are stacked over the wrist. Spread all 10 fingers. Press the mat away. Step your left foot in between your hands. Coming into a supported low lunge. Right knee to the mat. Sweep the arms all the way up. So we're sending the hips forward and up. We're lengthening the spine. Imagine somebody's pulling you from the head, from the crown of the head. You don't want to be sinking down. You want to avoid any pressure on your lower back. Now tuck the toes of the right foot and press yourself up, straightening the left leg. Now come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more. Down. Take your hands to the mat. Step your left leg back, coming back into your high plank. And from here, bring the knees to the mat. How are we doing, girls? So now we're gonna go flat on the mat, lay down. We're gonna bring the knees to the chest and give ourselves a hug. Remember, we wanna build our confidence. It's always beautiful to have a nice body, but we all have different body structures. So some of us are more petite, some of us are a little bit wider. There's always room for improvement, but overall, you need to be happy with who you are. Never compare yourself with anyone else. Never compare yourself with someone else. Now we're gonna bring the legs to the front of the mat, and we're gonna reach the arms all the way up. We're gonna use our core muscles to bring the legs up, and then from here we're gonna bring the feet all the way to touch the hands. Using the core muscles, not the momentum. Slowly with control. Now bring the legs down, then come up. Use the core. Legs to touch the feet. Feet to touch the hands, I'm sorry. Then slowly come back down. Control the movement. Come up. And we're gonna do this 10 times. Do it at your own pace. That was 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Woo! And whenever you're ready, come back into a seated position. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's class, and get ready for the next 29 days, because in this challenge, we are gonna grow our confidence. Not only our bodies are gonna change, we're gonna get toned, or we're gonna lose weight, we're gonna get more flexible, but overall, we're gonna feel more confident in our own skin. Remember, aging is just a number. We're here because we wanna look our best, we wanna feel our best. When you feel your best, you have more love to give to the world, more love to give to your family. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be here with you. If you guys have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please reach out to me. I'm here for you. Like, subscribe, share this video with somebody you think might need it. Love you all. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.